In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check uploaded photos in Google Drive. By the end, you'll know the quickest way to see only your photos, even if your drive is packed with documents, folders, and other files. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. Make sure you're signed in to the Google account where your photos were uploaded. If you use multiple accounts, glance at the profile picture in the top right corner to confirm you're in the correct one. From the Google homepage, look toward the top right and click the grid icon, often called Google Apps. This opens a panel with the different Google services. Choose Drive to open your Google Drive in a new tab. Once Drive loads, look to the very top for the large search bar. This is more than a simple search, it's the fastest way to filter down to exactly what you want. Click inside the search bar to activate it. Next, find the filter icon on the right side of that search bar. It looks like a set of sliders, or a funnel. Click it to open Drive's advanced search options. Here's where the magic happens. In the section labeled Type, open the drop-down and select Photos and Images. This tells Drive to limit results to image formats like JPG, PNG, GIF, and others, so you're not wading through PDFs or spreadsheets. After choosing Photos and Images, go ahead and click Search. Drive will now display only photos and images that match your account and location settings. This view is ideal for quickly confirming what's been uploaded. If you just uploaded files and want to verify them, look at the top right of the file list for sorting controls. Sorting by last modified or last opened by me can help surface the most recent items. If your photos are inside specific folders, you'll still see them here. And you can open folder paths from the File Details panel if needed. If your results look sparse, double-check that you're in the right account, and consider refreshing the page to let recent uploads finish processing. Also, keep an eye on the search bar. If you see an X icon, clicking it clears previous filters so you can run a fresh photo-only search again. That's it. By opening Drive from the Google Apps grid, using the search bar, clicking the filter icon, setting type to photos and images, and running the search, you get a clean, focused list of your uploaded photos in seconds. Thanks for watching, and now you know the most reliable way to check your uploaded photos in Google Drive whenever you need to.